Hello students, I'm going to answer question number 10 from homework number 13. Test the claim that the proportion of people who own cats is smaller than 90% at 0.005 significance level. Which one is the null hypothesis and the alternative hypothesis? First of all, since we're talking about a proportion, I'm going to eliminate all of the options that suggest the mean. So it's not those suggestions. Next, it's a left tail test since we're talking about smaller than 90%. So we're going to look for less than. So this is the alternative hypothesis, less than, and this is greater than, so we'll go with this one. And this is a left tail test. Next, we will compute the p-value based on the information that we have. From the question, we know that n is equal to 100, and we know that p0 is 0.9 or 90%. Alpha was given 0.005, and p hat was given in the question right here, so it is 84%. So to compute the p-value, we will need to compute z0. To compute z0, we're going to use the formula for z0. The formula for z0 says z0 is equal to p hat minus p0 divided by the square root of p0 times 1 minus p0 divided by n. So I will go ahead and compute z0 right here. This is equal to, open parentheses, p hat minus p0 divided by the square root of p0 times 1 minus p0 divided by the sample size, which is 100. So then the z0 is -2. Now let me draw the region and then I will compute the p-value. Since this is a left tail test, then the area we're looking for, which is the p-value, is the area to the left of -2, which is z0. So we want to find this area. To find this area, we're going to use the function norm.s.distribution. So I'm going to go ahead and compute that right there. Norm.s.distribution of the z-value, comma, true. And that is going to be the p-value. I'm going to copy that and I'm going to paste it to my answer. And I will round it to 2 decimals since it's asking me to round to 2 decimals. So that is 2 decimal places. And then based on the p-value, we're going to determine whether we're going to reject or not reject the null hypothesis. In this case, I see that p-value is greater than alpha, which is 0.005 compared to 2%. So we're going to fail to reject the null hypothesis. We're not going to reject the null hypothesis. We fail to reject the null hypothesis. So I hope this video helped you, and I will see you in a different one.